Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Class 8, I had given you the biology test. Today I will be giving you the answers of this test. Question number 1 was, how do ferns reproduce? Explain with the help of a diagram. Now first you have to explain, that is what will you give. You have to give the diagram of the reproduction of ferns along with the explanation. Explanation is that the plants like ferns reproduce by forming spores, and the spores are produced in a round structure called sporangium. When the sporangium bursts, the spores disperse in air. The spores are lightweight, so they are easily carried to distant places by air and water. During favorable conditions, spores germinate and give rise to new individuals. Now this is the diagram that you have to give along with the explanation. Now this diagram I had told you, in fact I had given you in my lecture that I had posted when explaining the spore formation. This is not given in your books. This diagram is needed for this explanation. Each question carries 4 marks. The next question is, explain the method of layering in plants with examples. Now you will write that in plants like guava, lemon, china, rose and jasmine, any 2 examples are enough, even if you don't give all of them. The bark of a small portion of a lower branch is removed. This branch is bent and portion of the stem without the bark is removed with, is covered with moist soil. After a few days, roots develop on the buried portion of the branch, and the branch is then cut from the main plant. It grows as an independent plant. Is it clear? This also carries 4 marks. Next question is, what is the economic importance of artificial propagation? Now this is given in the box on page number 23. That is the 3 points. That is, it helps to produce plants with desired qualities. It helps to produce plants whose seeds remain inactive throughout. It helps to produce large numbers of desired plants. Is it clear? So this also carries 4 marks. Next question is, fill in the blanks. Tissue culture can be applied to blank hybrids, that is to interspecific hybrids. Blank pollination does not occur in mango. Self-pollination does not occur in mango. A fruit is a ripened blank, that is ripened ovary. Blank is not an agent, or sunlight is not an agent of pollination. Blank reproduce asexually through rhizomes. That is, it can be ginger or turmeric, any of the answers. Then draw a well-labeled diagram of LS of or longitudinal section of pistil showing fertilization. The diagram on page number 28, that is this diagram. You can see this diagram. All the labeling should be there, and this is given on page number 28 in your books. This carries 5 marks, whereas the fill in the blanks also carried 2.5 marks. Next is, write 2 features each of insect pollinated and water pollinated plants. Now you have to give, so many features are given and you don't have to give all the features. Is that clear? So 4 are given for water pollinated and 3 are given for the insect pollinated flowers. So for an insect pollinated flowers, it can be, they are large sized and brightly colored to attract insects. They produce sweet nectar and have fragrance to attract insects. The pollen grains are sticky in nature. Then out of the 4 points that are given on page number 26, for water pollinated flowers, the features are given. Flowers are small size, pollen grains are lightweight and easily float on water. They are produced in large numbers. Pollen grains are covered with a waxy coating. Out of the 4, you can write any 2 features. This carries 4 marks. Then name the following an example of a false fruit. It could be apple or a pear. Next is the cells formed after fusion of reproductive cells. It is zygote. An example of wind pollinated flower: maize, palm, wheat, grass, rice. Any of the answers you can give. Then female part of the flower, it could be gynoecium, pistil, carpel. Any answer out of the three. And collective name of sepal, that is calyx. Is it clear? Carries 2.5 marks. Next is define explant. What is an explant? That is, in the technique of tissue culture or in tissue culture technique, a tiny piece of bud, shoot or any other part of the plant is taken. This tiny piece is called the explant. Next is stem tuber. The underground stem of the potato is called a stem tuber. Is it clear? Next is sori. That is, in ferns, the spores are found in the clusters of sporangia called sori. In ferns, the spores are found in the clusters of sporangia called sori. And last is the definition of reproduction, that is the ability of living organisms to produce young ones of their own kind is called reproduction. Each definition carries 1 mark each. So this question is of 4 marks. Total 30 marks assessment is there. Check it honestly and give marks to yourself and assess your capability.